Understanding the phrase, one big family. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the meaning and use of the phrase, one big family. This expression is not just about family in the traditional sense, but carries a deeper and more inclusive meaning. Let's explore it together. The phrase, one big family, initially refers to a large family unit. However, in English, this expression goes beyond its literal meaning. It's used to convey a sense of unity, closeness, and belonging among a group of people who aren't necessarily related by blood. In many contexts, one big family symbolizes a feeling of togetherness and support among a group. This could be friends, colleagues, or even a community. The phrase emphasizes that despite differences, everyone in the group cares for and supports each other like a traditional family would. You might hear, one big family, in various situations. For example, a team leader might say, we are one big family here, to express team unity. Or, at a reunion, someone might remark, it feels like we're one big family, highlighting the warmth and familiarity among the attendees. In many cultures, the concept of family extends beyond the household. Thus, using one big family can be a powerful way to connect with others. It signifies acceptance and mutual respect, values that are cherished universally. The phrase, one big family, is a beautiful example of how language can capture the warmth of human relationships. It's about togetherness, care, and communal support. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and connections they build. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.